Hi everyone, welcome to all CSR Net Warriors. I hope your preparation is going in a very good manner. Okay, so many people are just confusing about the drama of CSR Net, whether it will be postponed or not, whether it will be delayed or not, right? So 95% of the chances are not there to delay the exam, to postpone the exam, according to me, because we have two solid reasons. If you take the previous year trends, if you see 2022, right, the admit card has been issued on 13th September 2022. Exam has been conducted on 16th to 18th September 2022. That means just before 3 days of the exam, they have been released the admit card, right? Second, if you take the 2021 exam has been conducted on 15th to 18th February. Just before 4 days or 1 week approximately, they released the admit card. You have to remember one thing. If you are worrying about the city intimation slip is not compulsory. If they release city intimation slip, then definitely they will release it before 10 days at least. But if they do not release city intimation slip, they will 95% chances are there to provide your first priority, because while applying the CSR net, we generally give 3 priorities of cities, right? So 95% chances are there to allot your first priority to you, so you don't need to worry about the examination center also. Okay, so don't worry, just focus on your preparation, because preparation is very important no matter when they will conduct the exam. So always focus on your preparation. I'm going to provide you summary videos also, right? So very useful videos I'm going to provide you. So definitely I hope those videos will definitely be helpful to you, right? So before that, in this video I'm going to discuss about most important named reactions and most important reagents. After a lot of analysis, I'm just telling this. If you just prepare these named reactions and reagents at least, then definitely you will get majority of marks. Okay, because these are very important named reactions and reagents. I'm going to discuss only most important reagents and named reactions. These are all frequently asked named reactions and reagents in previous years. Okay, so just prepare a list of these named reactions. You don't need to worry. You don't need to study every named reaction and every reagent. You have to concentrate on the product. You have to concentrate on the reactant. Okay, if possible, try to remember the product through trick also. Okay, and just which reagents they are using, and which, if intermediates are there, which intermediate is forming in that particular reaction. You have to remember these things only. Okay, I will tell you one example. First, for suppose if you take the NEF reaction, you have to remember just only one thing: nitro compounds will be converted to the carbonyl compounds. This is NEF reaction. What are the reagents? Lewis acid or heating. Lewis acid in presence of heating. So nitro compounds in presence of Lewis acid and heating will give carbonyl compound. That's all. That is the NEF reaction. You have to remember this point only. You don't need to revise everything, and you don't need to do multiple questions also. Okay, just remember named reactions and reagents like this only. Okay, so in this, first of all, sharp plus asymmetric epoxidation, just you have to remember the role of plus DET and minus DET, sharp plus asymmetric epoxidation and sharp plus asymmetric dihydroxidation. Okay, Swern oxidation is very important. Manganese dioxide, role of manganese dioxide, Ag2O. Okay, these are also frequently asked reagents, very important. Birch reduction, acyl ion condensation, Dakin reaction, very important, chances are there to come. So Wittig reaction, Shapiro reaction, Bomford-Stevens reaction. Okay, so next one, Eschen-Mosher fragmentation. Eschen-Mosher fragmentation is very important. NEF reaction is very important. So next, Peterson olefination reaction is very important. Julia olefination is very important. Barton reaction in photochemistry. We have only 2 important reactions in photochemistry. One is Barton reaction, second is Hoffmann-Loeffler-Fatigue reaction, HLF reaction, very important. Riemer-Tiemann reaction and Simmons-Smith reaction. These 2 are also very important. And role of DDQ, just remember the DDQ role. Okay, so based on this DDQ, once question came in previous years 2 times. 2 times question came in previous years. Just remember the role. You don't need to study this DDQ in depth. Okay, so next one is Prevost condition, Woodward condition, KMnO4, osmium tetroxide. Okay, Prevost and Woodward conditions are very important. KMnO4 role is very important. Osmium tetroxide, these are oxidizing agents, role is very important. Along with this, Diels-Alder reaction, very important. In reaction, very important. Next, ozonolysis, oxidative ozonolysis, reductive ozonolysis, we have 2. So those 2 are very important. PCC reagent, PDC reagent, Clemmensen reduction and Wolff-Kishner reduction. These 2 also very important. Next, MCPBA, metachloroperbenzoic acid, H2O2 in presence of NaOH. What is the use of this? Okay, so just do the questions. Okay, if possible, do the questions on this. If you would have already done the questions, then you don't need to worry, just revise these 2 things. Hydrogen palladium reduction. Okay, so in reduction, just focus on this hydrogen palladium. Next, ortholithiation, just to do the problems on ortholithiation. Don't read, just do the previous year questions on ortholithiation. And Grignard reagent, dialkyl lithium cuprate, this is also important, 1,2,1,4 addition. Okay, very important role. Lithium aluminum hydride important, sodium borohydride, BH3, oxymercuration and demercuration. Oxymercuration and demercuration, this is also very important. Last one is double H, diisobutyl aluminum hydride. Okay, these are the most important named reactions and reagents. Just to focus on these things. So revise these named reactions and reagents thoroughly. Okay, in a very smart way. So you have to maintain a smart approach, right? So in a smart way, just revise these all named reactions and reagents, then definitely more chances are there to come among these all named reactions and reagents. Okay, so I will come up with the very important videos. Okay, I will do summary videos from now on. Okay, just stay tuned. Thank you so much.